Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you what I'm making for lunch. It's a really easy, healthy, delicious chickpea salad. Let's go. This is super easy. You just take whatever veggies you want. I like the cucumbers that are the snack size, and I'm actually going to quarter this and then do small slices like that. I'm going to grab a handful of tomatoes. Same thing, I'm going to quarter these and then slice those quarters in half. So I've got eighths. So I did 8 cherry tomatoes here. Then I'm going to do a quarter of a red onion in the same size pieces. Like that. I'm then going to add about a quarter of this pack of mozzarella balls, or pearls I think they're called, and break them up so they're not so stuck together. Then I'm going to fish out 2 little scoops of banana pepper slices or rings, and I'm just going to give those kind of a rough chop so they're also the same-ish size as everything else. Next up, I'm going to add half of this can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you call them. I'm going to drain this real quick. So we'll add half of this can. Then we'll add in a couple of splashes of red wine vinegar, a little pinch of sea salt, a little pinch of black pepper, a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes, and then a little pinch of Italian seasoning. That's got things like oregano and basil and thyme and things like that. And then I'm going to add just a little tiny splash of olive oil. And then we're just going to mix this all together. Really, it's better if you can let it sit for a couple of hours in the fridge. It just kind of marinates and, you know, all the flavor gets in little crevices a lot better. But I am hungry now. It's lunch and it's way past lunchtime. So I'm going to just mix this up really well and eat it just like this. So super simple, super healthy, easy, quick lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.